How to solve Leetcode question 733 flaw fill, and it's an easy Leetcode question. So basically an image is represented by a m multiplex n integer grid image where image ij represents the pixel value of the image, something like this. You are also given three integers SR, SC, and a new color. So basically in this example, that SR equals 1, SC equals 1, and then it's basically this one is SRE and SC, and this one is the new color. And you should perform a flood fill on the image starting from the pixel image SRSC. Basically start from this pixel to perform a flood fill. Consider starting pixel plus any pixel connect 4 directional to the starting pixel of the same color as the starting pixel plus any pixel connected 4 directionally to these pixels also with the same color, and so on. So basically you want to change everything, like all the ones that are 4 directionally connected to this one. If they are also equals to 1, you want to change the color to the new color, basically to something like this. You change all the ones to 2 here. This one is because it's not 4 directionally connected to any of the ones here, so you won't need to change the one here. Replace the color of all the pixels with a new color. Return the modified image after performing the flood fill. And this is the input, and the example here SRSC. You basically starting from this point and change the color to 2. And this is the output, and because you have to return the image from the center of the image. All the pixel connected a path by the same, so that's how it looks. And there's another example here. It's all 0 here, and the SRSC is 0 0, right? So because everything connected to the 0 is all connected, so then you need to change all the new color because it's all 0 to 2. That's why the output is all 2 here. So you basically need to change whatever this color is, and all the pixels are connected to this to the new color. And there are some constraints here, and the company asked this question. Amazon asked 12 times in the last 6 months. So looking at this problem, you probably already have some idea, like because it's 4 directionally connected, and the best way and the easiest to do this is do a depth search on all 4 directions. And this is actually really straightforward. You wanna, once you check the color of this this SR and the SC grid. Once it changed to the new color, like 2 in this case, you can check, and then you can totally return the image. And then in the depth search function, what you wanted to do is check if the image, this pixel is color, and if it whatever color it is, you want to change that color to the new color, and then do depth search on all 4 directional neighbors. And in the end, you just want to call the depth search function and then return the image. And it's really straightforward. I'm going to show you how to do this in code. I think this is why it's a easy Leetcode problem. So I'm going to do rows calls equals to length of image and length of image 0. I'm just gonna define the graph here, and let's say the color equals to image. I'm gonna assign the basically the grid SRSC has a color, basically 1 right now, right? That's the starting point. if the color of the SRSC grid already equals to the new color, if this guy is already equal to this guy after I run the function, then you definitely want to return the image, and that's it, right? So then I'm gonna write the depth search function, and I want to pass two function. I want to pass two parameter. One is the row, and the other one is the column number. So basically, if the image RC equals to a color, right? Whatever color it is right now, let's say it equals 1. What I wanted to do is change the color, this grid color, to the new color. So this is the important step here. So once I change this guy to the new color here, that's all the depth search function does. It basically just to change this color. Whatever the color, original color it is, I don't care, and I just gonna change it to the new color. That's what it is. And this is the Python function to compare two value, and this is to assign a value. And then you basically wanted to run the depth search function in all four directions. And how you do it in all four directions is basically R plus 1, R minus 1, C plus 1, and C minus 1, right? And then you want to do some condition check just to make sure that they are not out of bound. So if R plus 1 is smaller than rows, right? You want to make sure that this guy is within the bound, and then you're going to run depth search function in this direction if R minus 1 bigger than 0. So it's basically bigger equal than 1, right? And then you want to run depth search on this guy, and if this one C plus 1 smaller than cos, and you want to run depth search function on this direction, and then the last one is C bigger than 1. So you make sure it's within bound. So then you basically run all four directions, and then so on and so forth, and it goes on, right? So then what you wanted to do is you want to call the depth search function and SRSC, right? That's where the function is, the parameter is, and then in the end you want to return the image. Yep. Let's see. Oh, yeah, sorry about that. So if the color equals to the new color, this is a condition check. Like it should be like a double equal, basically meaning that to check if they are the same value. So then I'm gonna run this again. Yep, accepted. Yep. If you think this is helpful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon with more Leetcode questions. Okay, bye bye.